Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to our respected madam and to our beloved classmates. So before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself and the group members first. My name is Nurul Izzati binti Abdul Izam. I'm the first presenter. There are Shahira binti Aris Fatila as the second presenter. Adriana binti Haira as the third presenter. Siti Nurhamiza binti Zulkifli as the fourth presenter. And the last presenter is Quran Nur Aifa binti Kuhasan. The case study that we got is the Mehmet's Construction Company. So here there are a little bit summary about the Mehmet Construction Company. As you can see, it was established in 2001 in Ankara. The company is very comprehensive and based on construction along with the project control. The company is serving at Turkey, Libya, Iraq, Syria and Afghanistan, constructing a various type of housing, and the objective of the company is awareness by whole market and perceive. In this case study, actually, the Mehmet Construction Company, they have a problem, which is inability to have a system that can properly monitor and controlling their current business. The current business or the work system is based on old-fashioned method that prevent the company below expectation. So here, there are two methods that can efficiently illustrating the critical path and complete project duration, which is critical path method, and project evaluation and review technique. These two methods is very effective because we can know the critical path, we can know the earliest and the latest a task begin, we can know about the earliest and the latest a task complete, and the completion time of a project. Another method is Monte Carlo simulation. It was to identify the completion date based on probabilistic approach for the whole combined uncertain events. There are also CPM and PART methods, which is give deterministic completion date for the project. The overall goal of the company is to continuous monitoring of the project completion and improve deliverables by applying one of the quality initiative. So, let's see the example of PRT diagram that being used by Mehmet's Construction Company to build luxury villa for the question 1. So, we will start with the activity A and B. So, activity A and B, just write the note 1 and do the arrow A4 and B2. A for activity A, 2 for the duration is 4 weeks. So the next activity is C. It will come from activity A. So from the arrow A4, just write note 2 and come up with the arrow for C3. Next is activity D. Activity D will come from activity B. So from the arrow B2, just write note 3 and come up with the arrow for D4. Next is activity E. It will come from activity D. So from the arrow D4, just come up with notes 4 and do the arrow for E3. Next for activity F, it will come from activity C at the top. So from the arrow C3, just write note 5 and come up with the arrow of F5. Next is activity G. It will come from activity B and E. So let's do one by one. Start with the activity B. As you can see, activity B is come up with activity D. So we just do the dummy and write the notes 6. And for the activity E, we just do the arrow from notes 4 and write the notes 6 and come up with the arrow for G2. Next is activity H. It will come from activity F at the top. So from the arrow F5, just write note 7 and come up with the arrow of H2. So the last activity is I. So I come from activity F and G. Let's do one by one. Start with activity F. So activity F at the top at note 7. So just do the dummy because the activity F is for activity H also. So just do the dummy. And for the activity G, from the arrow G2, write the notes 8 that combine the dummy from note 7 and the G2 from note 6. We do the notes 8 and come up with the arrow of the last activity I4. And we will end with the notes 9.
Okay, now we continue with EET and LET and also critical path and expected time take for the project. So for planning and construction for luxury villa. And now I will explain to you about EET and LET. So EET is known as earliest event time, which is add duration time for the first activity to the EET of the first node to determine the EET of the second node. Choose the largest value among the activities, leading to the event where more than one activity is involved in determining the EET. EET for the first node is 0. So it starts from left to the right, and then we need to follow head plus. If you have 2 or more choices, you need to choose the highest value. So it start with, in the process number 1, it start with 0. So we can see at process number 6, okay, it come from process number 3 and 4. It has dummy from process number 3, right? So 2 plus 4 equals to 6, and then 6 plus 3 equals to number 9. So we have a highest value, and then 9 is the highest value, right? So EET for process number 6 is 9. Okay, now we move to process number 8. Okay, 9 plus 2, it start with process number 6. 9 plus 2 equals to 11. And then we look at process number 7. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. So we choose 12 as the process for process number 8. Okay, now we move to process number 9. So for the process number 9, it is a bit confused when it involves dummy in the process. So in the process number 8, 12 plus 4 equals to 16. And then we compare with process number 7, 12 plus 2 equals to 14. So we choose the highest value, which is 16. So in the process number 9, EET for process number 9 is 16. Okay, so when it involves in the process EET, we need to choose the highest value. If we have 2 or more choices, choose the highest value. Okay, now we continue with LET. LET is a latest event time minus the duration time of the preceding activities from the LET of the last node to obtain the LET of the preceding event. Let the LET for the last node is equal to EET for the last node. So from right to left and follow tail minus. If you have 2 or more choices, you need to choose the lowest value. So it start from right to left. It's starting with the last process at the process number 9. So at the process number 9, we have 16, right? So 16 minus 4 equals to 12. So now process number LET for process number 8 is 12. So for the process number 7, it involves dummy, right? So it have dummy for process number 8. So 16 minus 2 equals to 14. And then we see at process number 8, 16 minus 4 is 12. So we need to choose the lowest value. So LET for process number 7 is 12 because we need to choose the lowest value. It has dummy for process number 8. Okay, so we go to process number 4, 3, 4, and 6. It has dummy for process number 6. It has dummy from process number 3 and process number 4. So for process number 4, we're starting from process number 6, right? 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So LET for process number 4 is 7. And then we go to process number 3. Okay, for process number 3, we need to compare which one has the lowest value. Okay, so 10 minus is count as a 0, right? So 10 minus 0 is 10, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. So we choose the lowest number, which is LET for process number 3 is 3. Okay, so we done with LET and EET. Now we continue with critical path. So for critical path is the path consisting of event with the LET and EET having the same values. Total activity time, the longest from the start of the project is to its end. The critical path depicts the project duration, also known as the shortest or earliest time to complete the project. The activities along the critical path are called critical activities, and it must be kept on time to meet the schedule. So which one has the short time to finish the project? So firstly, we need to identify which one LET and EET has the same value, because if it has the same value, it means there is no delay for the project. There is no delay time taken for the project. So the critical path for this project is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8, and 8 to 9. How we can identify either the process, the path is we choose the correct path. Okay, so now if we total up and sum up all the weeks.
Today, I would like to present about the case study titled as Mehmet's Construction Company, but my specifically is for significant problems that the company faced towards this project. So, previously, my group members has explained the network for planning and construction of this luxury villa, and also the critical path, and also how long it is expected to be taken. So, I will explain more on the significant problems. So basically, project management is really important for a company, as it is to make sure that the proper expectations are set around by what can be delivered, by when, and for how much. Project manager plays an important role for this project to be successfully. So basically, every company should use the project management techniques and tools to ensure that the quality and objectives of the project are achieved on time and also on budget. But for Mehmet's construction company, there is no project management techniques that are used to reduce the toughness, the hardness of the works in the company. So the significant problems is the first one is time management. It is the inability to managing the time, whereas the company is in the state where they cannot manage the time wisely for the project. This can be because of the project manager mistakes in planning the time management, or the team members that are easily distracted, not following the schedule, and also not following the priorities task list. That is for time management. And then for the second one is change management. So for change management, the Mehmets have problem regarding the technical incompetence of the company for sudden alteration, as the company's technical is inefficiency in handling the changes to the project. And also it is make it difficult to manage the changes of the management. And also the company might overlook to people that affected by those project or changes within the organization. And then for the third one is cost management. Cost management happens because the lack of cost management method. For the employees or the team members, they are less skilled at managing the cost management. As for cost management, the company has problems that make it difficult to running the project. So maybe the project manager might overlook at the cost management, as it can make the chance of the cost going over budget. And then for the last one is project status. So for project status, it happens because the Mehmets face the unavoidable hardship in describing processes by diagrams, charts, graph, or any other suitable tools that places the company in a difficult position for monitoring the status of this project. So the Mehmet's project has circumstances due to the project status, as they are not sure the specific tools to use for the project, and also it can be that all the progress are not properly monitored or controlled by the project manager itself. So that is how the project status is. Basically, I think these are all of my explanation regarding the significant problems that puts the company in a hard situation. Hopefully, you guys can understand of what I have been explained throughout the point. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, our opinion about the importance for Mehmet company to complete their job in time First, because of time is a limited resources, which is um, by making time management as a priority, company can accomplish more in a shorter period. This can mean a higher level of productivity for those on set schedule, or the ability to spend less time at work for individuals who have to stay until their duties are complete. Second importance is they have time for new endeavors. By complete the job on time, also give the company more time to learn new skills while on the job. Plus, acquiring new skills can help the company move their career forward. Okay, third important for make company complete their job on time. Because of else it also can improve decision making ability, which is whether the company rely on a time chunking technique or discover the power of list making. When you feel praises for time and have to make a decision, you are more likely to jump to conclusion without fully considering every option. So that can lead to poor decision making. But through the effective time management, you will start to feel more calm and in control. You can take time to carefully consider each option. Okay, fourth is the self or company discipline is valuable. When the company practice good time management, they will leave no room for procrastination. This is a valuable skill that will begin to impact other areas of company life a lack of where a lack of discipline have kept the company from achieving goals. Okay, lastly, important for management company to complete their job on time because of to fulfill customer satisfaction. As the company complete their job on time, for sure they can achieve customer satisfaction through the quality of the deliverable and the whole system of project monitoring and executing. Also, the product process and the administration. So, if the company well organized, they can manage those kind of complication that can cause problem. Budget cost arrangement, correct usage of labor force and resources. Okay, that's all our opinion for important for Mehmet company to complete their job in time.
Okay, next we'll go to the question 5, which is the importance of using PERT diagram in planning the project. Okay, firstly, proper project management will ease the project manager to monitor the status of the project. And PRT stands for Project Evaluation and Review Technique, which is very effective and often used method in the history of project management. The first important of PART is increased efficiency, as the project manager can make a schedule, organize and coordinate the tasks within the project. The diagram provides so much benefit to the project manager, like deterministic time. And through this time value, the project manager will see the best plan to do the project and what combination of activity they should avoid. And also they can estimate the minimum amount of time that will be needed to close a project by examining the breakdown of the project and the connection there are between tasks. And second is assisting the project manager on handling complex project. This is because the PRT chart and the structure help to take the complexity of a project and its many parts and visualize the dependency between each step in the process. It is a way of illustrating the critical path and complete the project duration. Through the Mehmet Construction Company, they pull a PRT diagram for a luxury villa, and through the diagram they can manage to work efficiently as they know what step to do next and how long will it take to finish the process. And the last is improve the planning and decision making.
This is by integrating and presenting data from multiple departments, like social event and quantitative data from various sources, assist coordinate with the project process and improve correspond among departments. PRT also uncover the activity relation and make improvement of an all strategy that give a current perspective on business activity. And from the luxury villas PERT chart, it is clear which department is involved and in which order they can start doing their tasks.